This is John out here at Lake of the Ozarks, and I wanted to talk to you folks today about a problem that I've experienced over the year of recording and whatnot and motor vlogging on bikes. Anytime I'm with a group of people, I can't get their voices in my videos while we're riding. And even using the Sena series products that I like to use, there was no way of really doing this. You could communicate back and forth in your helmets, but I couldn't put their voice on my video. So a gentleman down in Arizona, Frank Woodsman Adventures, and I'll put a link in my description of his channel. That way you can check him out. He's a really good guy and loves the Lord and loves to share videos and how-tos and a lot of things. But I purchased this Sena Impulse helmet using one of his links. And I've also purchased the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera as well. And also in that, I've also picked up these DJI mic minis. So what, after visiting with him, that I've discovered is he came up with a plan that worked really good to allow us to get that audio of those other friends that may be with me on my video. So what we've done is we've opened up the helmet here, and on the front of my helmet I've glued in a magnet right down here in the chin, so I can take the mic mini that I'm using and I can attach it right inside there. I hope you can see that. I hope it focuses in pretty good, and that will take care of my voice on my DJI camera. So what he done that I've done on my helmet as well is we've took this cheek pad out right here on the side of the helmet here, and inside this helmet I took right here where this foam piece is, as you can see right here, I took a little 1/2-inch notch out, and what I can do now is I can place my second mic. You can link 2 mics up into your DJI camera, and I can place this mic right down in here, right here, and it's right here beside my earphone. Now this fits in here with no problem. Once you put your cheek pads back in, there's no way of that falling out. And what this allowed me to do was to get my friends' audios on my videos. Now, I in no way telling you that you need to go and trim the foam pad out of your helmet. It was just something that we chose to do. We trust it. We think it's going to be fine. But in my videos now, you can actually hear the friends that are riding with me, their voices in and on my DJI camera. So I think this would be a really good thing for you to try out. Like I said, it's simple to do. It's not really damaging your helmet. It's not damaging the structure at all. These are expensive helmets. Let's face it, you don't want to tear one up. So I didn't want to do that. But this little modification that we done really helped. Anyway, again, just wanted to share that with you guys in case you folks find yourself in a similar situation. Anyway, I'm going to put the links of these items in the description of my video here that I put out today, so that you folks can see that and be able to access those same products. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a very good day. God bless every one of you.